Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, so today's video is not about repairs, it's about preservation, yes, of the repair. Now I don't know if you will be able to see on the camera, but I think you can see this black stuff, and here is some gunk. Don't know if that's possible to see. Yes, plus here, look at this, that's sticky, and I'll tell you what it is. See? Now these are the front buttons of the washing machine. This here is the dirt, all gunk or stuff, you know, which is bad. My hands are really not in the best condition. So what it is, when you've got a washing machine or actually any device, whatever is dropping on it, keep in mind that if you want quickly wash it off, yes, take it out, what's happening is that this can go in between all the spaces there is, and that can soak in where the programmer is, yes, I mean the whole, you know, steering stuff, yes. So then what's happening, if it's going there, you could see this black spot of a shorted place, yes. So now because of that, you're asking yourself for a trouble. Whenever something is dripping on any electrical device, we should watch out. We really should watch out. That's least of the problem. The problem with that actually washing machine was different. The problem was that the seal was damaged, okay? And I'm not really going into repairs of white appliances, but sometimes I do. So here, yes, it was seal replaced, but I found this one when I was doing it. So now I will clean it with IPA. I will measure those diodes if they are shorted or not, and I'll put it back together. I'll check that one component as well on the side. I don't know what the component is, and if I will be able to find data sheet for that component. One big one is here, this chipset. Then I will try to measure what should be the values, and I'll put it back. But guys, literally, if you see anything dripping on your appliances, please wipe it off. You're causing a trouble and you're risking like big time. This board of electronics can cost you the same what other used washing machine of the same kind. This board only. Sometimes you'll buy the same washing machine cheaper, then you would like to go and buy this electronics. So that's why it's worth to wipe it. When something is spilled, wipe it. And if you have this washing machine in the place in the kitchen where something can fall on it, if you wanna just be cautious, when you do something or somebody else does, ask them to put some cloth, small cloth, then the stuff will go on the cloth, but the gunk won't go inside, because that's what's happening. That's burned mark, yes. If this will work, I don't know. I will put this, I place the seal back inside on the drum and outside on the door. I will clean it, I will test those components, and I will know, yes, but if not, I will be chasing shorts on this board. But you can avoid it, yes, you can avoid it. excuse me. Unfortunately, we can't avoid it all the time, yes, but we can at least speak to our families to do it. So that video is just cautious, in our heads of doing a better job with our appliances. What I can say as well is, if you can improve where the device is located, then that would be good as well, because sometimes it's difficult to fit some appliance somewhere, yes, but sometimes relocating with other device might help. So it's worth to keep it in mind. I've seen people, like, they've got a cutting board and they prepare their food, and that is going straight onto the dishwasher, onto the washing machine, yes. I'm asking my wife to do where the dishwasher is, yes, because dishwasher is deeper and it's designed the way that even if something will go onto it, that will go only on the door, so it's fine. So you can avoid it. But if she's listening all the time, I don't know, but we can ask politely, repeat being a bit of a pain in the, but at least if that can save us 50, 100, 200 pounds, then I think it's worth, yes. And the trouble, because if you've got a family, for instance, and you will end up with no washing machine for a week, that's not nice, yeah. So exactly, guys, hopefully this told you something, showed you something, and hopefully you've got a value out of it. That's why I thought I will share it with you, although there's no physical work involved. I still think there is a great value, and just keep those things in mind, because these are the buttons, yes. So this is the front panel of the washing machine, and it can happen to anyone at any time if that's a similar situation what's here, yes. Guys, thank you for watching. Let's save them all if possible. But anyways, all the best, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.